Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing another ornament in my Christmas song series, and this one is extra meaningful because it is inspired by my son's favorite Christmas carol, The Little Drummer Boy. For over a year, he has been asking me if he could be on YouTube, and I always say no because he is too young and I want to protect his identity, so he is not allowed on YouTube. But I promised him I'd make a special video just for him, an ornament trailer inspired by his favorite song. And that seemed to make him pretty happy. So if you've seen my previous two videos, you know that all my In the Hoop Christmas ornaments follow the same steps for this collection, which is of course inspired by traditional Christmas songs. So for the full step-by-step directions, be sure to watch my Holly and Ivy ornament tutorial. It will walk you through the process in detail. I just had to show you how cute the little drum and music notes turned out on this design. They're playful yet traditional, and they stitch beautifully. This year, my son also started piano lessons, and so it's been and he's actually been loving it. So I feel like this ornament feels like the perfect way to commemorate his first year of music while tying it to his favorite Christmas carol. Like all my Christmas carols designs, this one is also personalizable. So if you have tiny embroidery fonts, you can add a name, a date, or even a short phrase. I recommend checking out Etsy or the Designs by Juju for fonts that stitch well at a small size. It's such a sweet way to make this ornament a keepsake. And the best part is, just like my other Christmas ornaments I have been sharing, the Little Drummer Boy design is free. You can download it right now on my Patreon page at Prairie Chic Patterns. Thanks for watching. This design is free on my Patreon. Check the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more creative fun.